In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a couples therapy note in ICANotes Plus. We're going to start with the appointment in the calendar. The status is arrived, 60 minutes. Here we can actually collect payment as well. Prior balance, $200. We'll go ahead and add a payment. And here you have the option of cash, check, or credit card. I'm just going to do cash today, so we'll add a payment, and it has been added successfully. We'll go back into the appointment, and we will start a note from the appointment, couples and family therapy, and we will save. Here in the group therapy note, you'll notice these buttons here on the left side. This is a button-driven program, so as I click on a button on the left, you will see some options open in the first shrub. This is a couples therapy note. You'll notice as I clicked there that more options opened up in the second shrub. And as I click on the buttons, you will see that the note is being created in this yellow text box. The yellow text box is a free-flowing text box, so you can add or remove any information that you would like within this note. Now I will move on to current functioning. There's frequent arguing and personality differences are high. Today's focus was on emotional support and communication. Under intervention, we did some blame reduction, seeing the good, and positive and fun activities. Now, you do have the option within the shrubs to add your own personal content. So here under edit mode, I'm going to turn it on, and you'll notice here that the appearance of the shrubs have changed. Here you can add your custom content within each individual shrub, and you can add custom buttons on the side. Here I have created one for intervention, and you'll see here that it populated right into the note as I clicked it. To come out of edit mode, we're just going to turn this off. Now moving on into participation, it was normal and appropriate. They stayed the entire session. Let me move this down here within the note, and that's how you can edit right within the note there. Here we have appearance. They were calm, communicative, tense. They had normal participation. You can do the mental status exam here. Their mood was normal. Speech was normal. You can share verbal content. We do have the suicide and violent risk assessment here. We will move on to link to their treatment plan. Select your interventions. There's been some progress, so we're going to continue with the current plan. And we will link that. Here we can enter our service codes. The diagnosis is going to pull through automatically from note to note, but if you do need to change anything, you can click in here to do that. We want to follow up in 2 weeks. And at this point, our note is done, so we will click Compile and Preview. And here you see that all that information has aggregated into a narrative form note that looks like you spent quite a bit of time on, but really it was only a few minutes. You would electronically sign by clicking this button here in the bottom right corner. You do have the ability to copy and paste into another EHR, download, and print. And here you can generate an invoice right within your compile screen. And that is how you create a couples therapy note in ICANotes Plus.